Today is Sunday, July the 6th, and MotiveWave have released version 3.4.8, and I'd like to go through with you some of the new features you'll find in the release notes. We're going to talk about the templates button, and we'll talk about each of these things, and I'll bring them in at the appropriate time. So let's go back to MotiveWave. First thing you're going to notice in MotiveWave, if you're working in a multi-cell grid system like this, is when you expand any one of the cells, you now have these buttons on the left and the right that allow you to move from one cell in the grid to the next. So you see here I have the SPX, the SPY, the Dow Jones, and a few others. So all my indices are in this cell. If I want to jump from this cell to this cell and all the subsequent cells, I can do that now with these buttons right here. So now I'm in the second cell, now I'm in the third cell, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth. This is a fabulous feature, and I'm really glad that they've added this for those of us who use the grid layouts, and we have multi-tabs in each one of the cells. It's fantastic. eSignal has been updated to the latest signal connector. Rotate ellipse. I haven't checked on that. Added the ability to rotate an ellipse by 90 degrees. Right-click on the ellipse and choose Rotate 90 degrees. I've shown you the console next and previous. We've got two more. One is which is Show and Hide tabs. So you go into View, Show and Hide tabs. So all these tabs at the top, you can hide them if you want. And then you basically just have 6 charts. And it gives you a little bit more real estate space. The last one is the Timeframe Study. So let me double click on the SPX, and here I have a 30-minute time frame, and I can go into Study. I can go into Overlay, and a new overlay that's been added is Time Frame. So if I want to highlight trading between, let's say, 9:30, go into here and say 9:30 to 10:30. a.m. And now I've got 9:30 to 10:30. As a 30-minute chart, that's not very useful, but as a 5-minute chart, it might be, and it shows me the first 45 minutes of trading highlighted throughout the day, and you can pick your own time frame. So those are the new features in 3.4.8. Go ahead and download it. I've been playing with it, and it's, as usual with all of the MotiveWave updates, very, very robust.